What's up, Med Nation? Welcome to the Mission of Medicine. If you haven't already, please hit the notification button so you can be updated once there's more video content available on this channel. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. What's good, guys? Welcome to Mission of Medicine. My name is Akeem Henry. Thank you for checking out my channel today. I am doing a dorm tour video today. This is something that I haven't done in a very, very long time. It's been a while. I did one maybe like fall of 2016, spring 2017, but it's been a minute. I moved to a new building, a building that actually has AC, a building that has an elevator and has new lounges. The old building that I had no elevator, no AC, so it was hot. It was an old building, had cockroaches in it. And so you know what, we came up, we here now. But the only downside is that my room is a lot more smaller. You know, you have to weigh your pros and the cons, and I chose a smaller room with a better building, a newer building. So it is what it is. This is my dorm tour video. I hope you all like it. Tell me, comment below and let me know if you have things that you see that I have that's similar, things that you think I should add to, add some more flair to the room. Just let me know. Comment below, share the video, and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. So when you first walk into my dorm room, what you are greeted by is this collage of antique cars, picture of antique cars, some pictures of my friends, my mom and I. And then you have this little rod right here that they put that I can hang my towel on after I get out the shower. Right here, just this table that I added with this candy machine that I have not yet figured out how to work. I put the batteries in, it's still not working. I might have one of my engineer friends try to fix it. I have a little discography collection with some CDs that I got, Good Kid, Mad City, Kendrick. You got Kanye with the Yeezus album, the Watch Your Throne album with Jay-Z and Kanye, and you got Drake with Take Care. Of course, I dropped the Yeezy album, but it's in the clear thing, so it looks cool. Nice minimalist packaging. And then over here, I also have my shoes, my shoe rack with with the Yeezys, the Under Armour shoes, some just shoes that I wear a lot. Then I have on the back of the door this coat hook that I put my coat and some bags on. And right here also I have this calendar where I write some things that I have due for the month and like things that are important that I gotta keep up with. When you walk in, I have a mirror. I gotta make sure I have a mirror, see the full body, see when I'm styling on them, make sure I'm dressed right and see myself. I have my refrigerator on this desk right here. Honestly, if I didn't have this table in my room, I would probably have more space in my dorm room, but I need it right now because I have this heat press machine that I gotta put somewhere. But this is my refrigerator. I'm not gonna open it because nothing's really in there. But on top is my Keurig, where Keurig you can make coffee and just have it on the go. My Jamaica mug that I just got from Jamaica this past summer when I was there in August. Above this, I have my surgeon. I don't know if you can really see it properly. I might have to jump the light, but we'll hit it from a different angle. There you go. You see my poster here. This is a surgery operation picture that I got from off of Amazon. I just wanted something that could help motivate me and look up something cool that I could have in my room. I got this little, it's like a little small tapestry type thing from Jamaica this past summer. It says, "Who God bless, no man can curse." It's an old traditional Jamaican saying that people in my family used to always say, so I thought it was pretty cool. that they had it. This right here is a picture poster from the Casey Neistat lecture that he came and spoke at this past year when he came and visited my school, and he actually signed it. And one of my homies, which is my co-RA, he got it for me because he knows I'm a big Casey fan, and I'm always watching Casey's vlogs. Over here is this I Heart Air, which is like a Nike poster that I got from the Nike headquarters store, flagship store in New York City, one spring break. And outside, you guys can see it's raining really bad outside. Over here, I just have a succulent, a nice cool little succulent, my iPhone and my Apple Watch with a cool plant that I got from IKEA. It's not alive, people. It's not alive. It's not real. And then right here, you see this cool little, almost lava-shaped like light with LED lights, changes colors. I got it from IKEA. It adds a nice little touch to the room. It makes the room like pop with color. I also have this Brookstone right here speaker that I got. It's completely awesome. It's called the Big Blue Party Sound. Like, this joint is loud. Like, if you want to have a party, if you want to bring it outside whenever you're having like some type of event, it's perfect for that. This right here is another light that can change colors and dim and like really do a lot of cool stuff. So I use that a lot when, you know, just want to set the mood, just calm down, change the colors. Here's just a picture that I took on a cruise, and, you know, a book that I'm reading by Tony Robbins called Money Master the Game. Like, come on now, you want to master the game of making money. And here's this laptop stand that I use. It's pretty awesome with holding up my laptop, ergonomics, and it looks really sleek and nice. And it's also metal. And this mouse that I use, the Logitech mouse, the MX Master 2S. It's awesome. You can customize it to do a lot of cool different things for your laptop and make your use on your laptop so much more efficient. I have my Sony MDRs 1000s. They are noise canceling headphones. They're great when studying in this dorm because sometimes the residents are really loud, or I just want to tune people out. Like, I can tune people out with that. I have this little thing. I actually am not using it what it's made for. This right here, it's like a thing that you're supposed to, like, an insulator for your cup for hot coffee or something like that. You put your coffee cup in there or something. But I use it to just store my pens and stuff in there. It says, this is the part where I nod and act like I care. That's my mood for 2019 coming up. And of course, you have to have the desk lamp. I have the desk lamp right here, front and center, just in case, you know, want to use some extra lighting in the room when the lighting's not good enough. Over here, I have my like little setup part, you know, and got the Canon bag for photography whenever I'm doing my photography. I have the Canon bag on deck. I have my Epson printer, Artisan printer. It gets the job done when I want to print high resolution photos or anything that requires like the graphics and the pixels to be like on point. I have my safe right here whenever I need to lock up stuff important. This right here is just like my all-purpose tech stuff, like extra tech stuff. And I have like my regular printer on the bottom just when I need to print stuff for school. This right here is the Yeezy poster. The Yeezy's poster that, Yeezy's poster that I got from the Yeezy tour a while back when Kanye came to DC. That shit, it was crazy. That was an awesome concert. And this right here, one of my homeboys from Baltimore, he's an artist, and he made this right here of Kanye. Despite all Kanye's foolishness, I still have his posters up in my room. I'm a loyal fan. Right here, this is another poster or picture that I got. This is right here from Paris. I got this when I was in Paris last summer. Really, really nice. So, I feel like I'm missing a lot of stuff. All right, so in my room, I got a couple extra cool little things. So this right, oh my, hold on. Ooh. So right here, I have this extra outlet where I can plug in multiple things. Just plug in the USB port, or just plug in the 3-prong things that need to be plugged in. So it has extra space there for all the extra things that I want to plug in. Have a trash can, of course. Under my bed, I'm able to have storage because my room is much smaller this year. So I'm able to have storing space under here by having bed risers. Like in college, it's essential to have bed risers because they raise up your bed and allow you to put things and store things under, like a trunk. I have a trunk that I'm able to store stuff in and to just put away things really efficiently. And last but not least, let's get to the closet. The closet. So in my closet, it's kind of, I don't know, maybe it's messy. I don't know, to me it's messy, but to other people maybe not. But I got the MCAT books in there. I also got like miscellaneous stuff where I store into this, my stuff that I use, my clothes, some dress shirts when I want to dress up, got the dress shoes. The room came with the desk, this furniture piece right here where I can store my clothes, and my laundry bin right there. I also have this lamp right here that's pretty cool. It's a bed lamp where I can just read books or whatnot. If I want to read something right here in my bed, I can. And it also has a USB port where I can charge things. So I'm charging my iPad right now on it. So it's really convenient right there when I want to charge my phone. So that's pretty much my dorm room. It's, it's a lot smaller than the last room that I had, but I think I made it really nice and homey where I feel at home and I feel really comfortable with the setup that I have. The pictures add a little flair to the room, make it pop a little bit. And I think, overall, it's a nice sized room. This gets me through the semester. I'm temporarily living here and overall it's nice. How am I gonna forget this? It's college. I do share the bathroom with the floor, so I have to have a shower caddy. So here's my shower caddy right here with all my accessories in it. Gotta bring that. And you also have to have shower shoes. For my shower shoes, I use Crocs right there. So I don't step in the shower barefoot because you don't know what people be doing in the showers. Showers can be all types of nasty. So you gotta make sure you wear shower shoes. But yeah, that's my video. This is my dorm tour. I hope you all liked it. Comment below, subscribe, hit the notification bell. When I post more videos, you'll be notified. And I see you all in the next video.